Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the Creta's infotainment model and making sure your phone has Bluetooth and location enabled. This avoids compatibility errors. Once done, park and switch the key to ACC or on so the head unit powers up. Next, plug a USB cable or open Bluetooth pairing on the vehicle screen. This begins device discovery. Do this now so the system can scan for your phone and list it. Knowing the exact model helps select firmware-specific menu paths. You will now pair and configure navigation apps. Enable Bluetooth scanning on the head unit and accept the pairing PIN that appears on both your phone and the car display, because authentication prevents random connections. Then install the manufacturer app, Hyundai/BlueLink, or open Android Auto/Apple CarPlay, granting permissions for location and files so maps and voice work correctly. Once paired, choose the phone as media/navigation source on the infotainment screen. Make sure to allow notifications and background location for live traffic. You finish by entering a test destination and confirming voice guidance, turn-by-turn arrows, and map orientation. This proves the connection and that permissions are correct. If GPS is slow or won't get a fix, move the car where the sky is clear, switch phone location to high accuracy, then disconnect and reconnect Bluetooth or USB. This refreshes satellite locks. If problems persist, update the infotainment firmware or contact the dealer to check the external GPS antenna or navigation module, because hardware faults require service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.